In this video, we're going to learn to upload our own sounds onto TikTok. So guys, first of all, we need to have a video in MP4 format with some music on. Maybe that's our own video. Maybe that's a video from YouTube. If you are downloading videos from YouTube, be careful to use copyright-free videos only, because otherwise you run some risks. So once you've got one of those, guys, head across to TikTok. At the bottom, we've got a plus icon, and what we're going to click on is upload. Then we're going to come across to videos and then select a suitable video. I'm going to select this one because I know there's some good music on the back. Click on next. I accept the music usage confirmation. Post. This is then going to take a little while to upload. But before I get hold of the music of it, I need to close TikTok. So I must close TikTok to ensure that this works properly. I come back to my own profile, and you can see I've already been playing around with this a bit already. I can just click on one of those videos, and on the bottom right hand side, I've got a black circle with my logo in it. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on use this sound. Now again, what I want to do is upload, and I'm going to select a video that I've got, and what you can see now, guys, is I have the sound from the original video playing over the video that I've got here. So guys, that's exactly how you can upload your own music onto different videos on TikTok. Guys, if you got any value from that, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new to the channel and you want more how-to videos, then subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.